Hey creatives! Today we're designing a stylish shoes parallax and carousel animation landing page in Figma. We will use Figma's prototype features to create smooth parallax scroll effects and interactive carousel animations, making the web design modern and engaging. So let's dive in. I already have all the assets, including images, colors, and other content. First, create a 1400 by 800 pixel frame. First, copy the blue color using Ctrl+C and paste it into the frame using Ctrl+V. Then add new text. Apply the Anton font style, set the font size to 400 pixels, and position it in the center of the frame. Next, set the header and place the blue shoes image in the center of the frame. Select all the information elements, right-click, and apply Frame Selection. Then set the frame for desktop layout. Place the information and button inside this frame. Create two frames sized 250 by 120 pixels and position them at the bottom as shown. Select the shoes image, right-click, and apply Frame Selection. Then reduce the frame size. Do the same for the second shoes image, but reduce the frame from top to bottom so the animation timing appears unique. Finally, place the two image frames inside frames named IMG1 and IMG2. Now, take second desktop frame, copy the blue color and paste it. Add text with the name Drift and apply frame selection by right-clicking the text. Make the text frame smaller from top to bottom. Then duplicate the desktop frame. Increase the size of the text frame. Take the blue shoes image and rotate it by 90 degrees, then position it towards the top of the desktop frame. Next, duplicate the desktop frame again. Take the shoes image and move it downward, rotating it back to 0 degrees. In the first desktop frame design, bring the second shoes image, a different color, and position it towards the right side in a similar way. Finally, select the frame and place it inside frame 3 at the bottom. Now duplicate the third frame. Move frame 0 to the top and fit it in place. Rotate the shoes by 35 degrees. Next, duplicate frame 4 and move the blue shoes image toward the left side. From frame 0, take the red shoes image and place it in the center. Change the background color. In the frames IMG1 and IMG2, move the images slightly up and down to create motion. Move the information frame in a similar way to create dynamic effect. Then duplicate frame 5 and repeat the same process for all the next frames. Now it's time to prototype. Select frame 1 and link it to the next frame. Set the trigger to after delay of 1 millisecond and the animation to Smart Animate with curve gentle and duration of 800 milliseconds. Then select frame 2 and link it to frame 3. Set the trigger to after delay of 1 millisecond and the animation to Smart Animate with curve linear and duration of 600 milliseconds. Next, select frame 3 and link it to frame 4. Set the trigger to after delay of 600 milliseconds and the animation to Smart Animate with curve linear and duration of 800 milliseconds. Select frame 4, select right button, and link it to frame 5. Set the trigger to on click and the animation to Smart Animate with curve quick and duration of 1000 milliseconds. Repeat the same process for the remaining frames, linking each one to the next in sequence. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.